If I recall, this one's a really short level. We'll see. Yeah, it is. This is the short one. I totally only wanted to do a few of these, but I don't know. We'll see. I just really love this game. It's so fun to just hop into sometimes, you know? That's so hard to get. So how close were we? We were really close. Very close. We could totally get that sometime. This is the one that we were on earlier. It's the one we first did today. Yes! Whew! That was clean! On first stream, 1 minute into the first stream I've ever watched. Pretty cool so far. I love you, Kira. Oh, thanks, gamer. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, if you guys like that one of my favorites is also, I believe, this one. She did say the game name. That's true. That means the game is technically over now. Thank you, MaxiPan. Also, Kanzir, Nizar. This is definitely one of my favorites also. This is the level that sold me on the game. Like, it was alright until this level. This level made it amazing. Totally thought we were mashing. Fuck. It's the last time. It's the last time. Thanks, Queen Latifah. Yeah! Oh. That one's so fun. All right, we'll do one more song. We'll do the final one, and then we'll do Catherine, okay? This one right here. Then we'll go back. See how the ladies are doing. Let's get this cheddar. Or bread. Cheesy bread. Oh God. Oh my God, okay, that's a lot faster than I thought. Dude. Lordy. Dude, this guy is crazy. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting gold this time around, if we're being wholly honest. Alright, time it. Oh my good lord!
Then the voices of the three divine arcana echoed from the beyond. And through the wind, their words soared. From the shards of your broken heart, the real heaven has risen. We have restored the lost harmony of our world. Now you must go and find harmony in your home. Not long ago, in a town much like yours, there was a young woman who fell out of love, asleep, away. For years she fell through spirals of sadness and anger until she could not fall any deeper and fell right back into her grave.
So good. This game's like $12, by the way, for those who have a console along the lines of Switch or I believe PS4. $13, that's what it is. Yeah, I'm playing the Switch version myself. You could play this in the car. It's a... Oh my god, just think about that. Wait, what? This is on the PS4? I mean, I think somebody said in chat they got it on the PS4. I thought I read that earlier. Anyway, I've definitely been mistaken before. Just don't play while driving? I mean, it might help. No, you shouldn't. Also, Milky, let me know, apparently, the Crybabies Discord got a new emote of a jiggling Crypika, and I love it. It's called Cry Wobble, and it is, I don't know who made it, but it's amazing. I fucking love it. Whoever made it did good shit. Milky says he didn't make it. He just is the one that told me about it. He let me know. Chico, I don't control that Discord. That's just its own monster. Queen Latifah, baby! Yeah! That's the baby queen!
Sayonara, Wild Hearts.
It's so crazy that they got Queen Latifah for the freaking narration. User Dianan made it? Well, user Dianan should upload that to Better TTV so we can put it in chat. And then we can disable the, you know, the ones that aren't necessary anymore. Alright. It was a last minute thing to do? Dude, I totally get that. Some of my best things have been last minute things. So good. I need to get this track, like this OST. Is it on Spotify? That would be amazing. Oh, it is! I just typed in Sayonara Wild Hearts on Spotify by Daniel Olson. It's only about 54 minutes long. And each song is, well, not each song, some songs are a little short, but yeah. Dope. Shiz is on Spotify. Ugh. So good. So good. Alright. So, you guys, wait. What happens here?
Not long ago, in a town much like yours.
We've seen this. Okay. Wonderful. Oh, by the way, Mario Maker 2 apparently has online co-op now. They added that today. So, we're gonna be doing that on Saturday. Probably. Most likely. That'll be fun. We'll see.
There was a young woman
Oh God!
who was
No,
very
Queen.
happy.
I'm sorry, Queen. Okay, I miss her so much already. Like, I always miss her. All the time. Constantly. Lost co-op levels. Don't even say that. That would make me vomit. All right, but so I know we've only been streaming for an hour. I do kind of gotta pee. So, is Link's Awakening good? I freaking love it. Personally, I wish it was cheaper. Maybe like $50 instead of $60. But it's really cute. Anyway, we'll take a pee break. Yeah. I know exactly what we should listen to while we're doing our pee breaking. Oh. Alright, chat. BRB. Oh god, please begin again. Also, for some reason, I'm forgetting how to actually follow a playlist on Spotify so I can remember this forever. But I don't know why. Maybe I can just... Oh. I just stole it, I guess. Click the heart? The heart just stole it. Well, the heart didn't do anything. It made a heart for me. But I was able to steal it on accident. Like, I went to the playlist, right? Oops. Right, okay, wait, I was here. Alright, this is the playlist. I clicked it. I was like, I had to play listen. So, I made another one.